Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your branding assets with Git LFS detailed guide step by step clearly. First, ensure that you have Git installed on your computer. Open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to the directory where your branding assets are stored. Once in the directory, initialize a new Git repository by typing Git in it and press enter. Next, install Git LFS by entering the command Git LFS install. This command sets up Git LFS in your repository. Now, specify which file types you want to track with LFS. For example, if you want to track large image files, type git lfs track star.png for PNG files or git lfs track star.jpg for JPEG files. To confirm which file types are being tracked, type git lfs ls files. Now, add your branding assets to the staging area. You can do this by typing git add, which adds all files in the current directory. Once your files are staged, commit them by typing git commit m add branding assets. Next, you'll need to connect your local repository to a remote repository. Use the command git remote add origin remote_URL where remote_URL is the link to your remote repository. To push your changes to the remote repository, type git push origin master. If you receive a prompt for your credentials, enter them to authenticate. Once the push is complete, verify that your assets are stored in the remote repository. To check the status of your LFS files, you can use the command git lfs status. In case you need to update your branding assets, make changes as required. Commit your changes with git commit m update branding assets. Finally, push the changes to your remote repository with git push. This ensures that your latest branding assets are safely backed up. By following these steps, your branding assets are now backed up and easily accessible using Git LFS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.